Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Take a look at the Peugeot 208 PureTech Edition that has just landed in stock and does come complemented in the modernised and a sleek Nera Black exterior. Finished as a 2019 model, it does come in exceptional condition alongside your 1.2 petrol engine, making sure it is the ideal nippy city drive for any individual. Packed with more than enough advanced features, including enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights. You do also have your 16-inch titanium matte black alloys alongside your rear view camera and parking sensors for enhanced parking. You do have added protection with your power folding and heated door mirrors, alongside enough boot space to easily house all your day-to-day items. Stepping inside, you will find a full cloth interior for enhanced comfort for all travelling passengers. In the front, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel for driver convenience, with access to your central touch display screen to provide a much-needed entertainment on any journey. Just opposite, again, your two front seats do contain a full cloth trim for absolute comfort for all travelling passengers. Moving on to your steering wheel now, you will find your multifunctional and various audio options, alongside your central display screen containing more than enough entertainment with various radio stations. You do also have your Bluetooth connection as well for quick access to all your vital car apps and preferred audio. You do also have your on-screen display of all your vehicle information, including your parking sensors, which will be activated when you do put the car into reverse, alongside your rear view camera, so plenty of help getting in those tighter spaces. And for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas, you do also have your built-in satellite navigation with this vehicle. It does come equipped with your points of interest, so you can easily get yourself around when you are in unfamiliar areas, so you can easily and quickly get to your nearest petrol station in a hurry. You do also have your main dual climate control options located just below for a more tailored temperature, followed by your handy charging power outlets and cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.